Glory to Jesus Christ! Before you start watching the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, like and be sure to comment, and don't forget to turn on the bell so you don't miss new videos. The Skoda company will launch a new electric car on the market, which will become the ideological successor of the iconic Fabia model. This was stated by the head of Skoda, Klaus Zellmer, to Autocar. The future novelty is already at the stage of development, but it may receive both a different body type and a new name. According to Zellmer, the new electric car should play in the same price segment as the current Fabia, that is, it will cost approximately $20,000. However, the company still has to figure out how to achieve this, as batteries for electric vehicles of this class are too expensive at this stage. Most likely, the exterior of the new model will use the corporate styling demonstrated on the Vision 7S concept. This may mean that the successor to the Skoda Fabia will be more like a compact crossover rather than a light hatchback. Also, to emphasize the transition to electric traction, Skoda may give it a new name. The new electric car should debut closer to the end of the current decade. At the same time, Skoda will keep the gasoline Fabia in the lineup, until it is clarified.